good afternoon folks. From outside the front of the Pelicanos Hotel here in Benidorm. It's 5 to 10 and it's the 12th of June as I speak. I'm dedicating this video to the thoughts of my son. He was killed 18 years ago to this day by a drunk driver. We all miss him. I'm not going to go on too much about it because it does upset me. I'm with some of my family, so we're sort of thinking about him today more than ever. That's just how much as I'm going to say on that. He was killed by a drunk driver. So wherever you are, Clive, I hope you're okay and looking down on us. So anyway, so that's all the upsetting things out the way. We're off to Algar Falls today with the roundabout town travel. I think it's called Round Town. Booked that, €22. So we're off there today. So come and join us. Normally I'm on my own, so I've got the family, some of the family with me. We're having a great time here. Join the queue.
This bus is for Algar Falls only.
Yeah.
It's a Waterfalls. Straight back, the bus is coming behind me. So I have to take you by so we can see you properly. So first of all, Samantha Pike, please. Samantha Pike? Yes. Okay, you've got 4.
Used to get interference on these coaches, so just loading it up now. Should be on their way soon. Yeah, hi folks, just a quick shot out the coach. Oops.
Oh, good morning again everybody, we're now on our way. The last 4 passengers didn't turn up and it's not fair to keep you people waiting. So we're on our way now to the port of Algar. Let me just tell you a little about that, what's going to happen. The town of Algar, the small village of Algar, is very tiny, but it's a very narrow road. So we need to get off the bus pretty quickly, and we'll gather and I'll walk you all up to the falls. That's to the entrance there, and I'll give you some maps for the falls when we arrive there. Then I'll get a chance to give them out here on the bus.
Well, we'll see a bit further along, folks.
Algar.
So now arrived at the falls. This is the restaurant where you give a meal deal ticket. I haven't bought one, but kind of a meal deal, €7. We're going to all walk up, I think that way, together. So right, so we'll see in a bit. Right, so that's their meeting point here. We're just following the guide up to the top. It's a bit of a hill apparently. So anyway, we'll see a bit further along. Yeah, hello world, hello Spain, and thanks for joining me. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to throw that microphone cable away. It might still be under guarantee. I'm going to have to check when I got it, but I'm getting a lot of crackle with it, so I'm having to do a voiceover. Yeah, the coach dropped us at the bottom. A lovely chap, the guide there. He said he was from Yorkshire originally. We had to follow him up the hill. You have to be a bit careful because it is a narrow road. It's a bit steep, but just take your time. You get up there okay. Then obviously we had a wristband so we could go straight in. Now, he did tell us that there'd be some people taking photos as we go in, which they did. I did buy a key ring with a picture of my mugshot on it. My daughter said, I wouldn't have thought you'd have bought one, but I know it's like from doing photography when you spend all day at a show and people aren't buying the pictures, so I thought I'd support the photographers and get my picture done. So there was a quick cheese and she got me picture. So my daughter, they all bought a few as well. So yeah, I just decided to swing round and get a few clips. You'll see my sister arriving next for a picture. She did buy a key ring. She's striking the pose, and then we make our way in to the waterfalls. There's all the photos there which they print out and also put them into key rings as well. So yeah, so I just going towards the entrance now, and on the left was the start of some waterfalls, so I pulled up and got a few clips there. It was a nice sight to see, and it was a lovely start to a nice late sort of morning walk round. So join me in a bit, folks, and thanks for watching so far. Enjoy the views. Yeah, lovely waterfall down there, just going in now. Spin you round. Oh, it's just opening microphone, don't play up. There's a cantina here. We'll check the prices out in a bit, see if there's anything in my budget. It's a lovely place. It's €22 to come here. Fantastic. I'll pay more than that for a cup of coffee. So, yeah. Lovely. Nice folks there. Waterfall. Very nice. Yeah, this is the largest of the waterfalls. Apparently, I was told last time I was here that many years ago they had an advert on the TV for a Timber tool, something like that, shampoo, Timber tail. And this is where it was shot there, but that was quite a few years ago. Only as old as can probably remember that. Yeah, hi folks, very nice here. Just going back to the waterfall to get another shot at some like an idiot rushing me. There's plenty of time. What's the rush? Stuff like this. I'm going to come back. There was somebody in the water. Hopefully this time I can get a shot. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Yeah, greetings folks. Thanks for joining us. Any good, Shell? They've probably gone up there.
Yeah.
Hey?
They might have gone in
Already?
I haven't seen.
Right. I'm heading up that way. Right, yeah, so thanks for joining us. I had some chap moaning, but I said there's no rush. It's clear now, there's enough time for everyone to get a picture. So anyway, we're going to carry on up. I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, very nice. Lovely waterfall. Let's carry on up. Less talking, more walking. Yeah, very nice. I'll see you at the top, folks. Yeah, greetings, folks, from the Stony. Yeah, just going to swing round here. Yeah, it's nice. Ready for another Sony shot. Back to you in a sec, folks. Yeah, greetings. Got some folks behind me going in a pool. Just do a little Sony shot here. I'm going to put my mic in. Actually, I might leave it out. I've got it plugged into the Sony, the mic. So yeah. This is nice up here. This is where everyone goes in to the lovely colours there. Yeah, this is where everyone's sort of in the water. So try and get a few little clips. Now, yeah, I'll follow the Sony up. Yeah, hi folks. Again, the microphone trouble. It's going to go in the bin. Yeah, the sun was in my eyes, but I couldn't really see what I was zooming on, so apologies for any close-up shots of the people, but they were all having a good time in the water. There seemed to be, I don't know if she was a photographer there taking pictures, but was getting a few shots of folks in the water. Lovely waterfall, fantastic views, and had a great time. Yeah, it's nice. Lovely waterfall. A few folks posing for pictures there. Having a good time. So watch her out slip over here, or she don't fall over in the water there. Looks like it's selfie time. Yeah, greetings folks, hope you're enjoying the video. I'll have to cut one or two bits out because I can't see what I'm filming exactly. So But this is nice, just here, being around. Yeah, so I'm just having a walk around here. That's a different view down there. I think the way we'll carry on up here there. All of me folks following me, that's nice. Straighten again, we'll look a bit there. Yeah, it's another little shot here. Everybody in the pool doing their pictures. Yeah, greetings folks, that's nice. There. Right, just having a wander up here now. I don't think there's much more now. We're going, yeah, we're going to have a look. Very nice. Try again. It's on the wrong setting. Yeah. Yeah, it does go on further than I thought, actually. So I'll just have a walk around here, follow these folks. Right, see you in a minute. Yeah, this is nice. Just do all the stones. Gonna head this way. Actually, I might be able to do a Sony shot from it. Yeah. Struggling a bit, so I've got the pocket in one hand and the gadget, small gadget on there. So, very nice. Little view. Gotcha.
Oh nee, ja. Oh, dat zelf niet in de gaten.
Just a little pan round here. Go a little bit further, I think. Right, well, I have got my Crocs on, but I've got socks on, so I'm not going to go any further than that. But certainly nice here. And a great time. Yeah, I'm just waiting for very popular, just waiting for a group of folks to come past, and I can carry on down. Lovely sound of the water. Any good?
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah. This has got the phone connected, you know.
We need to get selfie still.
They sell these like this. They're only like €6 in a shop or so.
Oh, we'll get
I
one
paid
this
20 for
afternoon.
this, but they are. I've seen them in. I'm not sure if it's got the. Like put this on the ground, but
Oh, really?
yeah,
Oh, I might get one of them.
yeah. Right, Lana, any news? Enjoying it? Yeah, greetings. Lana, you alright? Swim back round. Yeah, hi folks. Well, that's the sun and your Jamie there. I won't go in the water. The next clips are going to be all slow motion and a bit of music to them, so we'll catch you in a bit. Yeah, hi folks, and hi Jamie behind me. That was nice. Just heading back down now. A lovely little walk round. Nice vlog or blog or flog. Enjoyed it. See a bit further along. Yeah, what a fantastic view here. Well worth the €22 to come on the Rain Town trip. Lovely. Hi-yo. Hi-ho. Yeah, hi folks, this is just an add-on to my video. We've walked down from the Waterfalls. There's a lovely restaurant on the left. If you have something to eat, you can come in here. I might include a picture of my burger. It was very nice. And you're allowed to go in the pool. You've got an hour before the coach comes. They do ask you to be dry when you go on the coach. So I'm going to swing you around and just show you very quickly the pool area here. So it's a lovely restaurant, plenty of tables, and bang on. Let's do a little walk around here. Thanks for joining us. Yeah, lovely. Aye-oh, aye-oh, that's all they say.
But 2 minutes early. If it's mine.
Here's their wheels now, taking us back into Benidorm. Thanks Roundabout Travel.
Just let him pull in a little bit, please.
Round Town Travel, I should say. Yeah, just back at the Pelicanos now. I must say that was a great day out. I know I've done an end to the video after this, but I thought I had this little add-on. It was a good trip. Well worth the €22. I'm off to get myself a drink now. Yeah, greetings folks. Well, my pocket battery's gone low, but time to end the video from the waterfalls, the Algar waterfalls. Lovely over there. So as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Big thumbs up to everybody. Thanks for watching. Fantastic time right here. So we'll see you on the next one. I think I said don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's hope there's peace in Ukraine. See you on the next video, folks. Thanks for joining me.